Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the remote desktop feature in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you have to do is open up the Start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. So you want to go select the Update and Security tile. So you might have to scroll down and select Update and Security. Select for developers on the left side. And now on the right panel, you want to go ahead and scroll down where it says underneath Remote Desktop. Change settings to allow remote connections to this computer. Go ahead and select where it says Show Settings. You want to select underneath Remote Desktop, don't allow remote connections to this computer, and then select Apply and OK to save that change. And once that's done, restart your computer for that change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.